Navigating the AI gig economy, future-proofing your job. Are we all going to lose our jobs? A tsunami is coming. Not a wave of water, a wave of intelligence. It is already washing up on the beaches of our everyday work. If you freelance, consult, design, write, teach or create, listen, this isn't a prediction. It is a map. And maps can be learned. For some, that wave will feel like loss. For others, it will feel like liberation. The difference is not luck. It is strategy. Today, I will show you how to move from panic to practice, how to become irreplaceable in a world that wants to make you replaceable. The tsunami, what is arriving, and who it hits first. We call it the gig economy, the loose marketplace of short contracts, freelance gigs, on-demand labor. It has allowed independence, autonomy, and, frankly, survival for millions. Yet today, the instruments that once amplified your hustle are being taught to think. Content writing, basic graphic composition, data entry, transcription, these are the first shorelines. Machines can produce a clean article, a passable logo, a spreadsheet filled in. But notice the word I used, passable. AI's first gift is speed and sufficiency. Its second is standardization. Its danger is substitution. If you want to practice, not panic, you must learn 3 intelligences. I call them the power matrix. First, AIQ, emotional ethical intelligence. Not merely charisma. The capacity to feel and to choose what is right with that feeling. Clients buy trust, machines cannot embody conscience. If you can hold emotional complexity, you become necessary. Second, AIQ, augmented intelligence quotient. This is practical literacy with tools, prompts, pipelines, model selection, prompt chaining. Many fear code, fewer learn to speak to models. Learning AIQ turns you from commodity to conductor. Third, SSQ, social and AMP, sustainable strategy quotient. This is the long game, building systems, communities, and revenue streams that don't evaporate when an app updates. A single gig is fragile. An ecosystem is durable. I learned to think in systems because survival demanded it. I treated my recovery like a portfolio, rituals, doctors, rest, small wins. The same logic applies to your work life. Protocols protect you. Practice grows into policy. Don't sell 10 blog posts. Sell a content strategy powered by AI with human emotional calibration and conversion optimization. Describe process, not output. Third, package your IP. Systems sell repeatedly. Turn your process into a template, a workshop, a playbook. I teach leaders to convert a private practice into a paid cohort. Your expertise becomes a product. Fourth, build an audience. Platform gives leverage. You do not beg for gigs. You attract them with authority. One live workshop, one steady newsletter, one short video every week. These generate trust. The wave will not ask your permission. It will either carry you, or it will pass over you. But remember, waves also reveal shores. They remove the sediment of what was fragile and leave exposed what is forged. My invitation to you is simple: become an alchemist. Combine your deepest intelligence with machine speed, your compassion with principles, your craft with systems. Subscribe to stay with us. Share with a friend, and if there is one thing that sounds good for you, like. Don't run from the future. Make the future work for you.